Video, I'm going to show you how to see less political content on Instagram. So go to your Instagram and go to your profile at the bottom right corner. And then from there, go to the top right corner and click the three bars. This is going to bring you into your settings and your activity. So go ahead and scroll down until you see the section where it says what you see. And go ahead to your content preferences. So to see political content, if you don't have this on your phone, that means that you don't have the most updated version of Instagram. So go ahead and update your Instagram app. So if you do have it, go to your political content, and what you can do is very simply just choose see less. Now you can see more if that's your thing, if you want to see it, but you can might as well be able to filter what content or how much content you can see on your Instagram feed. So that is how you would go about setting your settings to see less political content on your Instagram. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.